If I don't win this burnout contest, I'm gonna let Sam do a burnout in my car. Today is gonna be a fun day. I'll be a quick detailer, and just ragging it down isn't the best way to clean the car, but I am getting the color change soon, so I just really don't care about this color anymore. Everyone's like stressing out right now because like always, we're running a little late. Got the tires filled up in Vin's car. I don't know where I'm gonna put the jack yet. We'll figure it out. Vin, what the fuck are you doing with your hood? What the fuck are you doing?
This is the only way I get accepted in life.
What the?
Where do you want the screws?
God damn. Alright, dope. Put it in my back to see this. Yo! I guess that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got 6 cars rolling out.
I'm just saying on the camera right now, I came 2.5 hours just to see this kid do a burnout. This better be the best fucking burnout you can do.
I'm winning. I'm gonna win today. Vin, you got nothing on me, bro.
What?
I'm gonna win. I'm winning today.
It's impossible. I have no hood.
Alright, I'll take my hood off too.
No, you won't.
I'm winning, guys. I'm winning. Dude, the rollout is sick. Dude. I'm so happy with today's rollout. It's 6:21 already. We're running late. We're stuck in traffic right now. Come on, we got Ratchet Friday to go to. I know I did a pretty shitty job at explaining everything that's going on, so while everybody is parking up right now, literally everybody's just in line to park up. We're at Ratchet Friday. You guys should already know where we're at. Me and Vin are gonna be in the burnout contest. I'm gonna leave it at that. Yo, you know one thing that I realized? We were the first ones to do that in the car scene.
We were.
I feel like
everybody went onto it.
Everybody. Dude. Look at all of car Instagram. We were like the first ones to put that mask in front of a car. And then everybody started doing it.
Bro.
It doesn't fit your face.
Bro.
You need a size large or something.
Bro.
I'm sorry, bro.
Home, babe. We're going home. Fuck these guys.
Sir, I gotta tell you, your fitment is amazing.
Is it?
Holy. What's good, man? This fitment is insane. Holy shit.
Is that a tomato? Is that a tomato? Is it a tomato? It's a tomato.
I told Vinny what a tome was last night, and now he doesn't know how to act.
Tomato.
Jump on doing the job.
Tomato.
Whole squad wasn't able to park up next to each other, but it's all good because I'm still gonna win that that burnout contest.
Fam. I have a tomato.
Shut up, dude.
Sorry. I can't stop.
Dude, look at Sarah getting the angles. Yo, somebody go tip her off. Just push her. Do it, do it, do it. So you really think you're gonna win, huh? Really? Because you sounded confident in front of him.
It's more of like I know.
It's more of like you know.
I know 100% I'm gonna win this burnout challenge.
This guy.
100%.
What happens if you lose? Because I said if I lose, I'll let Sam do a burnout in my car. So what happens if you lose?
If I lose, then they have to do the burnout competition together. Then we'll see. Is that a tomato?
I regret telling him this joke.
Yeah, I'm the only one to get the job done. I don't know anyone that can cover for me.
I've been wanting to build a Crown Vic, like a cop car lookalike, for the longest time. Imagine a cop car lowered, stanced out on wide wheels, and just cambered. That would look dope. If you guys would want to see a cop car build, like completely stands out cop car, but look like a cop car, let me know, because I've been wanting to do that for like the longest time ever. If you guys want to see it, I'll do it. Yo, are you gonna two-step? You get two-step? All right, bro.
Oh my god!
Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Good shit.
God damn! It's about 20 minutes till the burnout competition. Going ahead and giving my bar to one of our friends. He needs it because he's in the burnout competition too. Kind of nervous. What about you? I don't know.
At first I wasn't nervous, but now like when it's
now
like
that it's starting to happen,
on it,
yeah. Like
nervous.
Knowing it's about 20 minutes away, I don't know. So I'm a little scared.
Okay, the reason why I'm nervous is because we have two friends that are complete idiots and don't care what happens to their cars. They can literally pop their tires and still do burnouts on their rim. So at this point, I don't know if we're gonna win or not.
I hope I win. Alright guys, so this is Bobber rushing last minute.
Shout out my YouTube, justification code, come follow me.
This is Bobber changing his wheels 10 minutes before he's supposed to, rushing this shit. You think he's gonna win the burnout contest? Leave a like down below. I'm like super nervous right now. They're about to start the contest in like 10 minutes. I want to do a practice burnout, but I don't even think I have enough tread to do a practice burnout. Are you ready? I'm so nervous.
I was actually born ready.
I'm so nervous right now, bro. I have to take a mean ass piss. What about you?
You gotta take a shit.
You gotta I feel like I would be the type of person to stall in front of everyone.
Well, I actually want to stall on purpose, but
get fucked.
A few moments later.
Let's go!
From Sayreville, ready to get it lit.
ready? 3, okay, 2, 1, now.
We got fucked up. We got fucked up, dude.
Fucking turbo diesels. Fucking turbo diesels, man.
I cannot wait to take you